Hi guys, this is 𝗬𝗵𝗘 and very welcome back to you guys on my channel. Hope that you are well and enjoying your quarantine. Anyways, in today's video I'm going to make a perpendicular graffiti sketch on a big surface of a paper with orange, yellow, red and black color. And before starting the video, I want to give you an update that my new video will come every single week on Friday morning 11 o'clock. And I will be recording videos like this and this, not something like this. So quickly like this video, subscribe to my channel, and we could start today's video titled Making Graffiti Sketch for More Than 5 Hours Straight.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you midnight, love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you midnight, love. And I know when you're all I'm doing, there can only be one thing. I know when you're all I'm doing.
I'm done with sketching it, and now I will erase it with this ugly eraser. And my brothers, it's time to outline it. Already dark outside and almost 7 o'clock now, so I will shoot the rest of the filming at night after completing my studies and dinner and other stuff. So see you tonight. Welcome back. It's already night outside and I completed my dinner, also studying, and I've also brushed my teeth. I will continue making this sketch until it ends.
Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the balls, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you.
Done with this drawing. I very thank you for watching this video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, because I tried very hard for this video, and if I get satisfying amount of views and likes, then it will help me a lot to bring more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.
Thank you.